Welcome to Koidra, the future of autonomous growing. Koidra offers Intelligent Automation Suite IaaS, a cutting-edge solution for monitoring and optimizing your growing operations. We help you manage data to make better growing decisions. In only one simple dashboard, you can track all the data you need to run your greenhouse. We integrate with multiple existing systems to tell you exactly the temperature, lighting, CO2, and airflows in your greenhouse. We will also immediately send you alerts when growing conditions go wrong. With Data Pilot, you can grow better with informed and data-driven decisions. Autopilot Grow will automate your greenhouse by upgrading the legacy platforms to the latest technology. Our smart sensors will translate basic physical conditions of the plants into biological insights such as photosynthesis level. This information about the crop health helps our AI model make smarter and more productive growing decisions. Or, let Autopilot 360 help you operate using our advanced growing algorithm. We offer full facility automation by customizing the latest automation capability for selected clients, empowering them to take charge of their operations. With Koidra Intelligent Automation Suite, your greenhouse will become a sustainable and efficient green manufacturer.
Our approach to autonomous control is unique that we pioneered an approach so-called physics-informed machine learning that combines the human wisdom through the language of physics and machine learning together to make a better solution. We have consecutive wins at the Autonomous Greenhouse Challenges. We also demonstrated high superior yield at our commercial greenhouse partners, achieve 20% higher yields than the baselines.
Higher yield, lower resources usage, more autonomy. With Koidra,